Here, the time is here. The Super Seed Fest. The Super Seed Fest. Super Seeds.
So hi guys, we're here in the beautiful Asmara Urban Resort, and we're here for the sneak preview of the biggest one of all by Cebu Pacific Air. So if you want to learn more about this, check out this video.
Here, the time is here. The Super Seed Fest. The Super Seed Fest. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. Super Seed Fest. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. Super Seed Fest. Here, the time is here. The Super Seed Fest. The Super Seed Fest. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. Super Seed Fest. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. It's a Pacific. Super Seeds. Super Seed Fest.
How about round of applause for our step dancers? What are we revealing? It has something to do with a secondary reason. And the reason why I get emotional because it is the 23rd birthday of Cebu Pacific. It's turning 23. I was chatting with Blessy earlier. Whenever we say that Cebu Pacific changed the game, for a certain generation, my generation at least, and Carlo probably, because we went to high school together, you probably would think that the impact of Cebu Pacific as a low-cost carrier is because when we were younger, you had to sprint, save, kill someone, or sell your Carabao in order to fly an airplane, right? But when that is really a fact. But with low-cost carriers, which, by the way, I didn't realize this, 23 years in the business, but it was only sometime around 2004, 15 years ago, that they became a low-cost carrier. They did not start out as a low-cost carrier. When they did that, oh, they changed the whole world, the aviation world, at least in the Philippines. They were the first two who has ever stayed up late for the piso sale. Guilty, right? Piso sale, back the other day, one way to Manila was 12,000 pesos. They introduced 99 pesos. They really changed the game that way. Cebu Pacific was the very first one as well to launch a website. So Cebu Pacific was the only one, the first one to open up e-commerce. So you can book your ticket online. And if you remember, I've been flying since I was a little girl in an all-boys school. So I do know this for a fact that they had 10-page tickets. You remember those tickets? That the airlines would give you up to 10 pages, you had to read all of it. Cebu Pacific was the very first one to give you just one page of that ticket, and that took care of everything. So they really, thank you, ladies of Binibining Cebu. You probably weren't born yet when that happened. The 10-page tickets, you don't remember that. I should have kept those because those would have been worth something now. What is worth your while is what we're going to tell you about this afternoon. This, like I said, 23rd birthday. On the 20th, I hosted the big celebration in Manila when they turned 20 years old, Cebu Pacific. We changed the uniforms, remember? And those uniforms that you see now are made by a Cebuano. Backstory, Julius Cario did all those uniforms. Backstory, they chose only from 5 Cebuano designers. It had to be a Cebuano designer. So they were all flown in to do their presentation for Cebu Pacific for the 20th anniversary. It was Julius Cario who won that bid and did all those uniforms that you are enjoying now. I'm pretty sure the flight attendants also are enjoying them. And a good reason to wear these tight t-shirts. I should be covering it, but I wanted to show my buxom front this afternoon because this is the logo that we're launching this afternoon to give you more information on what we're here for. Because everyone's asking me, what are you here for? What is this celebration? Secondary is the 23rd anniversary, but we want to launch this and we want to give you a sneak preview of it, ladies and gentlemen, to tell us all about that. Please give a round of applause for Adopted Cebuana because she's here a lot of times. Ladies and gentlemen, the Director of Marketing for Cebu Pacific, my good friend Blessy Cruz. With Sebi.
Okay, so Cebu Pacific is celebrating its 23rd birthday. Our anniversary is March 2019. And we have something special for all our passengers, for our because we will make March like the biggest month of 2019. So what's in store for all our loyal passengers are we'll have over 1 million seats and deals that will be made available throughout the month of March 2019. If you're from Cebu, definitely you can avail of our, seat sales. Cebu Pacific has always been known for the piso fares, for the seat sales. You can fly from Cebu to any 20 or 21 domestic destinations like Clark, Cebu, Calbayog, Tacloban, and then at the same time, Cebu can be your hub to go to any Asian destination. So currently, Cebu Pacific is flying from Cebu to Macau, which we recently opened last December 2019. We have Tokyo, Japan, Seoul, Korea, Hong Kong, and of course Singapore.
And finally, guys, so if you want to learn more about this Cebu Pacific Super Seat Sale, how can they, where can they find information?
First and foremost, follow the hashtag CEB Super Seat Fest. And then if you haven't followed us on any of our social media accounts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, please do. It's at Cebu Pacific Air. And also please, you can sign up to our Cebu Pacific and get those email alerts.
So remember us, Cebu CEB Super Seat Fest. Yeah, by the way, so yes, prepare your travel plans now because in a few days it's gonna be March and it's gonna be it's gonna be the biggest month ever for airfare travel. So yeah, watch out, follow Cebu Pacific Air on all channels, and thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, bye.